episode of Coding Dojo. My name is Michael, and today we're gonna do valid parentheses. So the task is pretty simple if you think about it. We have parentheses, and if it's valid, we're gonna return true. If it's not valid because of this string, we're gonna return false. This one's also false. This one is true even if there are two like this, but they are closed, so it means it's good. So now we know the problem. Let's do some coding. I would say my first step I would put the argument from here to the variable. Because I don't like modify them from here. And yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna check if they are closed. So it's kind of like an onion, so every layer. So first we're checking out for those, and we delete them. So the ones that are around them will close as well, and then we will also find another one that is also closed. So let's say like this example here, it will be like this. And if we delete all on the closed one, it will be like this. On this one, this one, and down this one, and this one, and that will be our return value after one iteration. Another iteration, it will go like this, so that this one and this one, and another one will be 0. So then we will check if the value after all of this is closed. So first of all, we're gonna do the while loop, string index of, and we're putting this closed parenthesis. And if it's not -1, so if it's still occurring in the string, then we're gonna continue, because maybe there is another one that is around it. And by having this string replace, and we're gonna replace parentheses with nothing. So in this case, we go console.log. This is the mistake here. Let's see inside. Yeah, so for the first example, they both are undefined, that's true. But the second example here, it returns the parentheses only on the right side, because we get rid of this one, and this one will be false. So how are we gonna return it? Do the simple as well. Return string if it equals 0. So if it equals 0, like here, so if we get rid of this one, then its length is 0 and the return value is true. So let's try outputs. Okay, everything is working. This. Cool, so now let's do attempt. Perfect, so everything works fine. Code you can find on the GitHub below in the description. Subscribe to my channel and click the like button. See you around. Bye.